Hey guys, it's me, LakeBoy74, and today I'm going to be doing a review on Lego minifigures, Series 5. I bought 3 of them, I already opened them, and I know which one's there. Alright, let's get started. First, we have the Lumberjack. Sorry. The Lumberjack. Let me build him. He's real nice detail with a hat, an axe, arm details. Real nice. I like him a lot. So yep, that's it. Next, it's the Detective. He comes with a real magnifying glass. Yep, awesome. See that? So yep, that's it. Here's the weird hat. Detailed. Alright. And finally, we've got my favorite one, of the Lizard Man. He's pretty cool. Yeah, check that out. This is his tail. Look at that. It's this awesome, weird piece. Just clip it on. Put his face. Wait, one sec. Here's his helmet. So you clip it on. You got the Lizard Man. He's my favorite. But here, the ones that I want are, I already have the Lumberjack. I want to call her the Zoo Girl. I don't know what's her name, because you know you get the monkey and the banana. I already got it. The gangster looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, a friend got the Egyptian queen, and thinking that it was the boxer, because it feels like it's the same, the helmet. So yeah, that sucks for him. So the boxer, I want the boxer. He looks awesome. Sorry. Look at his gloves. It's, you know, his hands. Pretty cool. Like it. So I'm gonna get the boxer, the zookeeper or zoo girl, and the fishing dude. And maybe the you know, the little clown. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thank you very much for watching on this video on my sink bathroom. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.